Afternoon, everybody. Thank you for joining us on today's Adding Value program. We've got a really busy schedule ahead of us this afternoon. So we've got some great presenters from across the automation industry. We're really lucky to be so well attended, and we're really lucky with some of the people that we have actually presenting for us today. So we're going to hear about some new products, we're going to hear about some new software, some innovations in terms of technology. Each of the presentations is going to be kept to about 20 minutes long, and then we're going to have time after each presentation as well for some questions and answers. So anybody with any questions, please put them into the Q&A section, and then what we'll do is we'll pick them up at the end of each presentation as well. So all the questions will be answered, and we'll do that at the end of each presentation. So first of all, we have Rajdeep, who's going to be talking to us from Schneider Electric, and we're going to be covering some new soft start technology. So let me introduce Rajdeep.
Hello everyone, can you hear me?
Yep.
Yeah, perfect. Let me share my screen. I'm gonna start introducing that. Uh, Let me know when you see the presentation.
Yes, that's perfect.
Yeah, so hello everyone, myself Rajdeep Butani. I'm working in a Schneider Electric and I'm a system and architecture engineer. Today we're gonna talk about our new range of the product, ATS 430, 490 soft starters. So let me just quick launch the starters. So Altiva soft starters ATS 430 comes with a range of 17 amps to the 590 amps, and it's available a different range of the voltage as well. So it will cover all of the requirement of the industry. Effective motor management solution could be the time saving, reduce all our cost, best in class in control, increase machine uptime, and improve the sustainability, obviously. How we gonna improve this management sector, or I could say technical sector? I will later on discuss about further in a further slides. But I want to highlight it one of the best control class, which is a trademark for the Schneider, which is a TCS torque control system, which is a only one of the kind which Schneider is providing. What it's doing is controlling the firing point of all the switches, all the electronics inside, and it will give you the very smooth torque input with the help of the switching, different switching algorithms, and it will give you smooth acceleration comparing with the other competitors, and it will increase your lifespan and the expansion of the motor or expansion of the application. This is also connected with the power architecture. So motor management design software is also there, where you can design your own architecture. You can understand the energy consumption, energy usage, and if you're planning to replace the contactor with one of the soft starter or VFDs, you will see the architecture design and possible outcome from that. Also selection motor might be some of you already working with our EcoStruxure motor control configurator, where you can select and configure the drive and soft starters. Apart from that, there is a power monitoring expert is also there, where you can monitor and analyze your system power and utilization of that. I will start talking with the very technical part, where will be the master application. I talk about the TCS control, and originally it's gonna provided by the Schneider Electric. It's a trademark on that, uh, and it's helped to give a smooth input, and it increase the lifespan of the mechanical part, where the bearing involves, where the gear involves, and possibly some of the different mechanical acceleration is there. So it will give you a linear torque ramp which will be a more smoother than the any of the input from the soft starters. Function will be could be you can some of the atmos you can get a function of the preheat to avoid a some of the damages inside the motor. Boost is also there where you can strongly at the starting time the ramp up the inertia. Also, you will get a thermal protection, overload relay protection, PTC, and it could be used for the application underload and overload detection as well. And also, it comes with the energy monitoring and the power monitoring as well. So it's a very durable, it's a very easy to maintain and easy to expand the lifespan of that, where you can very easily and rapidly change the lifespan of the any of the motor and application over that. What is the possible causes to happen with the lifespan of the any of the motor or application to be noted is could be stress. There is a stress involved as the human being. We also feeling the stress in our life. So it's same as the motor, but the environment is depending on two main things: the operation, how you are operating, and also the environmental stress. So it will be like electrical, mechanical, thermal, process profile also depending on that. But the soft starters comes with the 3S3, class 3S3 and class 3M3, which is a good standard for the mechanical sustainabilities, where you can see the vibration and the chemical standards. It also comes with the thermal protection where you can operate it -25 degree to +16 degree. Whereas so all the region you can possibly apply this product over there. Also comes with the chemical standard where the some of the chemical and harsh chemical industries you can use and replace. Also, you can check the profile, the main voltage and the range of the frequency, and comes with the torque control and high starting capability as well. So to avoid all of the hard maintenance task and the understanding of the product where the service could be a priority or could be openness to the world, where you can understand and monitoring the cooling fan operation time speed as well. And there is it comes with the bypass relay, which you is a soft starter. If you're starting the soft starter at the starting time, the soft starter will give you the ramp up time, and it will be stagnant throughout the operation with the maximum speed. So what the bypass relay gonna do, it will be bypass the soft starter and it will give you uh, harmonic less output and the system. And it comes with the different protection management operation as well, where you can define an ID and password for the admin. And yes, it also comes with the inbuilt server. So you can check online. You can go online with a mobile, tablet, PC to go and access the web server and go and log in. You can put the password and ID by the defining the hierarchy as well. Apart from that, there is a robustness, and this is a certified CREST certified, which can give you the explosion proof, some of the range of that, and some of the in the range of the CREST, there is some performance are tested for the security lab, where you can get a very high standard of the robustness from the outside world. And through the, I'm talking about the cyber security as well. I'm talking about the mechanical, electrical part as well, where you all the network port, all the security port, and it will gonna check all your RJ45 and HDMI, HMI ports, where you can see the field bus connection, all of the port and communication as well. So cybersecurity is a more and more concern in a upcoming world, and Schneider is a tackle that as a very front feet. So it comes with a very strong security as terms of the cyber security, and because it's an inbuilt server, so system is logging everything what is happening as terms of the cyber security. And there is application log, system log, error log, and warning log as well. So you can identify the threads, what is happening with your system. It's also possible to upgrade the firmware very easily by connecting with the SOMU software. So there is no need of external part or external thing to upgrade this thing. Also, it's easy to reduce the mechanical downtime as the separate product is available for the purchase. So you can quickly order and replace the thing. And it's not only Schneider perspective. So anyone can order the things and could be connected with the quantum guys, could be connected with Schneider. You can order the such kind of things and you can do the repair work. So it's not like its ideology is open to service. So it's kind of very robust in this downtiming. It also comes with the enviro-friendly protection. So it's a 20% of that is comes with a biodegradable bio waste. It also comes with a lower plastic, lower carbon footprint. It's also compliance the regular standard of the REACH and ROHS. So it will give you a more openness to the net carbon and achieve a net zero solution of upcoming years. It's in the same direction when we are talking about the carbon footprint. It's not an lower efficiency in terms of the we are reducing the carbon footprints. It's also efficient 99.5%. Also, it comes with power and energy monitoring management, where you can get all the data of the drive. So you don't need a extra power power monitoring or power management tool to understand how much your drive is consuming, how much your motor is consuming. So you will get a data of the line current, line voltage, efficiency, active and reactive power as well. You can monitor your data on web servers, or you could be possibly extract and put it on a SCADA system as well. So all as the ID card of the ATS 430. It also comes with a Modbus, standard Modbus, RJ45 ports, and also comes with a bypass relay, cybersecurity is there, energy monitoring. It could be you can define and configure with the motor control configurators, and SOMO software is totally free for the use. So all is a big device to control. So I discussing about the standard industrial product, which is comes under the ATS 430, and for the higher demand, or I could say process industries, I would love to introduce ATS 490. It also comes with 17 amps up to the 1200 amps. So it's a very big range of the I could say range of the product for the all of the requirement of the industry, and it's also the range going 208 volts to 690 volts. So it's a quite of big range on voltage. What we are addressing by launching a very advanced stack, and we saw that there is a capex and OpEx, it's a competitive in upcoming market. So we're trying to reduce the capex in a first glance, and it will also, if you are reducing capex, it will also get affected with the OpEx with add on more features and more less reliability on the standardized thing. So it's give you more open hand to in OpEx, where you can reduce your downtiming and the stuff. It also comes with the same range of the efficiency, same range of the sustainabilities. It also comes with the cyber security level with the ISA 62443, and it's level 1, and it could be extended the lives with the hardware, software, and upgrade as well. And this 490 starters comes with the STO, safe talk off, and it's also defined under the level 1 and IP20 protection. Let's arrange a whole cycle of the advanced motor management where you can understand the power, automation, user, and application all combined together. You can establish the soft starters connected with any of the series of the PLC, or you can go and connect it with the SCADA system or the PLC as well. The user can get a efficiency, power monitoring, and power quality as well in terms of the output. It also collect all the data and reports through the system. So you can extract any of the data on the network or any of the data through the PLC or SCADA system. It's also condition monitoring. You can understand the temperature of your motor. You can temperature of your soft starters. It also understand you can get a line current, a line voltage, power, a reactive and active power, both of that. So you will understand what is the need of the whole system. If you needed a power quality in a front end side, it comes with a normal duty and heavy duty, so it can function with all of the range of the industry. And it also comes with a motor overload, underload protection, so you don't need to put any extra protection device on top and bottom. So how we gonna fix this one? So it comes under the condition between preventive maintenance and reactive maintenance. So there is a condition based monitoring. That's why you will get a more data on your hand where you understand, for example, you're putting a source starter in two machines, then one machine is collecting a more current than any of other, then you will can understand that this machine could be ready for going under the maintenance or some issue is going under this machine. So this is the condition based advantage of the condition based and data monitoring as well. So you can see it also comes with the high speed data processing, and it's very much capable enough to work with any of the PLC because it comes with the Ethernet IP, embedded Modbus TCP, and could be expanded to other field bus as well. And also in electrically multiple of mains frequency and is a mechanical, it is a multiplication of mechanical frequency as well. So you can communicate and understand the source and deviation of the input mapping, whatever you like. It also comes with the cybersecurity IEC standard for 62443 because it comes with the inbuilt web server, so it's a no need to worry about any of the attack, any of the cyber attack on that. So it's a very protected with cybersecurity. The main purpose of this 490 is a STO because in most of the soft starters you will not get a safe talk off embedded in system, but it comes and certified IEC 61508, so which can give you STO protection. So it give you a place to machine in a no torque state very easily. And it also comes with IP20 protection and standard up to 110 amps. And by adding a protection cover bar, definitely 110 amps. And it comes with the two option, normal and heavy duty. This one is also comes with the TCS. where you can dynamic braking for the inertia, where you need a higher inertia and the starting time, so it can give you a more jerk, more power. Also could be capable enough to connect it PTC, PT100, PT1000, and KTY for the for the motor sensor, for the motor temperature, and is also application under an overall protection is also there. Also, it comes with the function called anti-jam. So in a pump application, you will get a two-side rotation. So it will, if something is stuck inside, it will rotating other way and it will be unjam the cog. It will give you a more and less maintenance over the period of time for the machine. It's also same with the power monitoring, more than 99.5% efficient, and comes with all of the current voltage range, and it will show you on mobile. It could be accessed by mobile as well. So all, it's a power hub of STO, energy monitoring, Ethernet embedded system, and you can observe the condition monitoring and minimize the risk. It's also fewer. Some of the thinking might be complicated to be installed because there is a power monitoring, energy management, but there is a same installation than any others. There is a no any add-on on that. So it's the same like any other options. So it's also comes with the heavy duty, normal duty, the STO, bypass relay, and it also comes with the higher graphical display. So you will get a more data, more control over the display. And communication option is also Profinet, Profibus, Ethernet IP, can open is also there. So as we saw today, ATS 430 in a standard industrial application, and in a precise and more process application, ATS 490. So this is the whole new range of the Altivar soft starter from Schneider. Thank you very much.
That's excellent. Thank you very much. That's a really good, a really good description of the new product that looks very, very interesting. So yes, thank you. If anybody has any questions, please pop them into the Q&A now. But I think, that was an excellent presentation, Rajdeep. So hopefully you've covered everything people might want to ask as well.
Yeah, thank you.
We will be providing the videos of these presentations afterwards, and obviously if anybody wants sort of follow-up documentation and things like that as well, if you let us know, then we will send that out to you. So yes, thank you very much. That's brilliant.